If you're like most people, if you're like me, there's a gap between the person you are and the person you're trying to be. We all have things that we do that we know we need to stop doing to be the person that we want to be. But of course, we don't magically transform ourselves. We don't become a new person overnight. Zeno, the founder of Stoicism, said that well-being is realized by small steps, but it's no small thing. It's actually a series of small choices, small decisions that cumulatively help us change, reinvent ourselves, reorient ourselves in a better direction. One of the ways that I try to get better, one of the ways that I improve each year is doing the Daily Stoic New Year, New You Challenge, which doesn't promise to magically reinvent you. It just gives you 21 days of challenges and exercises, ideas, insights from the Stoics that help you stop procrastinating, build new habits, abandon harmful vices, strengthen your character, and above all, help you become what you're capable of becoming. Not immediately, not in one swoop, but steadily, consistently over time. It's 21 days of custom challenges delivered directly to your inbox. It's over 20,000 words of content, almost a book's worth of stuff. There's weekly Zoom calls with me and other Stoics. There's a community you can connect to and people who can become your accountability partners to help you actually follow through on this stuff. Stop putting it off. Don't make excuses. Come join us. Come join the Daily Stoic New Year, New You Challenge. And you really can't put it off much longer because it starts on January 1st and you want to do it with everyone else simultaneously. Do it now before it closes, before it's too late. Sign up at dailystoic.com/challenge.